Alright folks, welcome to Reelfoot Lake, Tiptonville, Tennessee. I got the Pop over here, you barely can't see him. Pop, say something to the camera.
Hello there, boys. We're going to tear them up today.
You should start seeing sunset here directly. You can see the moose antler up there, as Pop calls it, the pole troller. And we're going to ease over towards Swan Basin and give them a try to get out some of this wind before it gets up. Calling for 10 mile an hour north-northeast, so we're going to get around some cover. So anyway, we'll check back with you when we get across the lake. Alright folks, we got our pole trollers out, just waiting on that sun to come on over the tree line. I'll show you a little bit of old Reelfoot. See them old cranes up there on the shore. Yeah, I can't get them in the viewfinder, but there's one right there. An old duck line back there. That's down by Champion's Pocket. This lake is full of stumps. It was formed by earthquake. And it's a great lake to fish for crappie, catfish, and bluegill. There's some bass in here. And we got plenty of flying carp. We got Pop over here ready to
jerk one in.
We got all kinds of bait fish hitting it, but we hadn't had the first bite, so we'll see how it goes. Back at you in a bit. Here comes that sunrise over the horizon. You have a bite?
I think I'm on top of that stump right there. Shouldn't shoot it, man. They ain't biting, but it's flying around.
Well, it's pretty, ain't it?
Yeah, it is, boy. It ain't nothing no pretty early in the morning on the water, you know?
No. Spend some time away from all the business and
yeah, on the lake you don't catch nothing better than working.
oh yeah. Alright folks.
It's showing fish here.
We had a beautiful sunrise, now we need some fish on the lines. Showing 7 foot deep.
Showing some fish too. Hey.
Yep. Let that wind drift us on out.
Nice crappie, man.
Not too bad. First one that we've made in the boat, we've had a lot of hits. But anyway, we're gonna throw him in the wet well and try to go get another one here. Boys, y'all gonna love this one. Check that big boy out. About 3 inches long. But he hit like a big boy. Put him back in the water and let him grow up and come back, and he'll get some shoulders on him. We'll try him again. Well folks, we got 10, 20. I think we got 9. It's either 8 or 9 in the live well. It is slow. So we're gonna move to shallow water to see what we got.
Fish?
Yep, and we got a crappie on the pole.
Bring it to me, bring it to me, bring it to me.
There we go folks. There's your Reelfoot Lake crappie.
Wait a minute, I'll get it for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to throw that back in the getting there fun. He jumped in there.
Alright.
Get your billfold laying on the ground back there, you know?
No, it done fell out. Anyway, folks, we're gonna get over here in this shallow water and try.
I'm gonna get it just a minute.
Well, we come out with 12 crappie today, and there's a couple of the best ones we got. Nothing real huge, but not bad for Reelfoot Lake. You can see the wind starting to pick up a little bit, and we're gonna try to ease on in. Like might get a little rain or something this afternoon, but not a bad time at all on Reelfoot Lake. This is one of the local motels. It's called White's Landing. Got a pier out there with lights on it. You can fish at night, and we got a lot of cypress trees and stumps. Do a lot of yo-yoing for catfish out here, and just good times. So, had a good day with Pop, so we're gonna get this baby fixed and put on YouTube so everybody can see it. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Want to say something? Give it another hour, this wind keeps up, it'll be white casting for sure. We were looking how the time we did. Yeah. Sure was. Labor Day be here before we know it. What, 2 weeks to Labor Day? Yeah. I don't know whether I got to work Labor Day or not. I don't know. It may make no difference. I ain't got no plans anyway. Never got to go home. We don't do more than deals on the holidays, man. Don't ever do nothing. That's the way it usually goes. Hey, you know, that's where that should be. All right, Craig, count them out. How many crappie we got there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute.
Well, you can count.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's correct. You don't say anything to the camera?
How come you got a new camera?
I'm trying this out. We're going to try to post this on YouTube. Are you mad at me because I didn't take you today?
I guess.
I took Pops today. Alright. Not too bad. Could have been better, but not a bad day. Had some good times with my dad. Spent some time with him and try to treasure those moments with family and friends. And you know, these days passed us pretty fast, so better take every moment you can to spend with your family. I hope y'all enjoy it.